special? What we doing, Hector? What we doing?
Put the microwave up here, man. You gotta make sure these lines meet, man. Right here. Gotta make sure they meet. If they don't meet, we in trouble. We're gonna have to take it down and move it over. I think we'll be alright.
One down, 3 to go. Hold on, we ain't here. You go ahead.
We ain't start a microwave. We got it up. You know what I mean? It's up, man. We're gonna clean it up, wipe it down, move the stove. We're gonna do the stove next. Put the gas stove in here. Always make sure that gas is off, though. If you don't, you'll be a dead motherfucker. Always make sure that gas is off, though. If you don't, you'll be a dead motherfucker.
Where we go to turn it off at?
You gotta go behind it. Usually it comes with a shut-off valve. Inside.
Okay.
Once you pull it out, the hose go to the thing, it should be a cut-off valve right at the hole. If it's not, gotta go on the outside of the house and cut it off. We got the Samsung stove about to go in. We're gonna peel the top off. Make sure you get all the fixing off of it so it won't drop it going over there. I disconnected my gas line, reconnected my loose gas line. Hook it up, slide it in, it's done. Make sure it works, and we all good. Make sure you turn the gas back on once you get everything tightened back up.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Make sure you turn the gas back on once you get everything tightened back up. So you don't push it back and then realize you forgot to turn the gas on and you gotta pull it right back out. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little seal on here. Little pipe seal. You see it came in the pack, usually all of them come with it. They got some leak testers that you can put on there, but you don't put that on that till after. Just make sure everything's tight, snug. Don't get a little messy. So it's just gonna keep, just like any other piping tape or anything, they're just in a liquid form. Make sure we put some on the top as well. This was a universal piping, so they came with different sizes. Whatever fit your stove. Now we got the stove in there. We just gonna doctor up all our the capsules and pieces on there. Then we gonna test and fire. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna test it out just to make sure. We got it there. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. We're in now. We are in now. We are cooking with gas. There you go, we all set. Next is gonna be the dishwasher. We got that in there. Gonna go up underneath that, get the dishwasher out, put it in the new one. Next, we're gonna install the brand spanking new Samsung dishwasher. You got your thing. When you're working with hooking up wires to any appliances, make sure you double check your knowledge. Even hooking up wires to any appliances, make sure you double check your knowledge. Even though you might know, double check your knowledge. It should match with the bag. Black to black, white to white, green to green. Green is always the ground. Alright. Let's tell you on here. See that? Can you see it? Alright. You got a Negro right there. Look at y'all. Go ahead and shut off the water valve. You have 3 water valves out here. You have hot, cold, that goes up to your sink, then one goes to the dishwasher. One of them dishwasher always have you're gonna have a connect right here, you're gonna turn that off. Dishwasher only gonna run hot water only. You got your drain pipe. Make sure your drain pipe is up, not laying down. Other than that, you hook the drain pipe through your garbage disposal and you're good. It's gonna chop up any food or residue or anything if it get through that drain pipe. Get your towel or something, lay it down here so you won't get no water on you. On your good bottom now, okay? Now we unhooked all our connects. We unhooked the water, electricity, and we'll hook the drain from our garbage disposal. Slide out. You got 2 bolts that hold it in. With these 2 at the top. It's automatically go inside the counter right there. Take it, slide it out. You don't need no dollar nothing for this. This thing is pretty light. You feel like you can't do it, get your son or your husband or your boyfriend just to slide it out. As you can see, I'm on my knees sliding it out. So it's not that heavy.